motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail.
So I'm gonna help you get this boat back, right?
That you are, my friend.
Damn it!
Oh! There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
I can't do this shit from here. Get me close.
Don't slip now.
Hey, man, I thought you was a white boy.
Fight me, man.
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat. What the fuck was that? Hey, steady, man.
Stick on the hood, okay?
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
Hey, I don't want your death on my
Hey,
conscience,
shit.
kid. That's plenty.
Oh, fuck this.
Come on. Oh, fuck. Ah, shit. Come on, kid.
Get your ass out of here.
Throw him overboard.
Oh, they didn't. They fucking shot the engine. Fuck.
Oh, easy with those bricks. Man the lifeboats, you pricks. You know who you're stealing from?
Hey, shoot this motherfucker.
Get off
Hey,
of
ain't you
him.
covering me? Hey, this dude's trying to kill me, man. Oh, boy. Nah, you on the wrong boat.
Yay! Okay, now go find Jimmy.
Dad? Wait! You're the guy from the dealership!
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy!
Dad! Dad!
Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! 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 Dad needs help!
Ah, this is gonna kill him! Whoa!
Get
Crap!
under him, man. Let him cross the floor.
Oh, I'm slipping! This is it! I can't drop down with you moving up!
The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Ah! Crap! Fuck, kid! Shit! Ah, shit!
Right behind you, homie. Come on. I ain't jumping from here, man. Get close. Jesus. Remind me not to come to you preparing an advice.
That everyone? All right, time to get the boat back.
Now that doesn't sound good!
Hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't taking shit in this thing.
Don't you die on me yet. Ah! My fucking boat!
Hey! It's just a thing! At least you still got it, son!
Hey, it's a chop shop back here, dog. You drivers there, you can get the ride fixed.
My boat.
It's just a thing!